Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze the market. This is Euro G pair and this is a downtrend market. Okay, let's check the levels and there is a reversal point. Okay, we'll place a higher option. So I will expect to make a retracement candle. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. After breakout, this is a reversal levels. So many reversal levels, it's break the level, this candle, and after this sellers are it's make a buying rejection. So that's the reason I'll place a higher option. At least it's make a very big bullish candle. Okay, very strong buyer's entry. Okay, this is a winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, this is a buyer's area and this is seller's area, so there is no opportunity. Okay, let's check the other pair. Okay, very good entry point. Okay, we'll place a higher option. Some margin safety trade. This is a margin safety trade. Why? Because this is a round number and this is a level. This is a level, this is a round number, and previously some buyers are very strong. So that's the reason I will place a higher option, some marginal safety trade. So I'm expecting this candle closing point above my entry point. It's make a rejection candle. Okay, you can see very strong rejection. This is a minor resistance level and this also round number at this point. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. Okay, this is a winning trade. I'll check the next pair. And this buyer's area. Okay, no problem. I'll place a lower option. You can see this is a single candle, some seller's entry. This is a single candle after some seller's entry, and this also single candle. This candle also make a new low. Okay, so that's the reason I will place a lower option. Next buyer's entry pointed here. There is a gap. This is a very strong momentum. So this strong momentum, it's make a confirmly fill to try this gap. So that's the reason I will place a lower option. Okay. Next major support level at here. Okay, this is also winning trade. Let's check the next pair. And this is so many wicks at this market. This is not a good market. So many doji candles at here. So this type of market, select the rejection points. This is seller's area and this is a buyer's area, and this is also buyer's area. Okay, it's going to resistance level, but this type of candle again continue the market sometimes. Okay, this opening point at resistance level. Okay, it's break the level. This is seller's area and this is seller's area and this is also seller's area, and this candle closing at the resistance level, but this candle opening point at the buyer's area. Again place a some buyers enter the market. Okay, still some going to some marginal safety trade. Okay, no problem. And this is so many rejections at the point, so that's the reason I will try to place a lower option. But this is a continuation sign. Okay, let's see. Let's check the other pair. And this is a buyer's area. And this is a seller's area. Okay, this is support level. Still some seller rejection at this point. After breakout, you will try to place a trade. This is 50-50 chances. These situations, it's break the level, and again it's break the level. Two situations it's here. It's a triangle pattern. And this is seller's area. So compare these sellers. This is a very strong seller's entry, and this is a single candle, and this also single candle. And previously some buyers are very strong, and this also some buyers are very strong. So don't expect the sellers and buyers at this point. After breakout, you can place a trade. Okay. Okay, there is no rejection. Okay, I will place a higher option. But this also 50-50 chances. This is also seller's area. Previously some sellers are very strong, but there is no rejection. This is a buying rejection, buying pressure. This is a very strong candle. There is no seller rejection, so that's the reason I will place a higher option. Let's see. Okay, we have 10 seconds. This is seller's area, so that's the reason candles are okay. It's make a weak bullish candle, but my late entry it's giving a loss of my trade. Okay, no problem. I will place a higher option. This candle opening point at the support level after this breakout. This is a continuation sign, so that's the reason I will place a higher option. There is no seller's entry. Why? Because there is no interest at the sellers, so that's the reason I will place a higher option for 2 trades. But it's make a retracement candle. You can see this candle exactly touch the resistance level after make a bullish candle. Okay, we have 5 seconds. Okay, this is also winning trade. Check the next pair. Okay, this is a very strong momentum. Okay, let's check the new levels. This is a very strong level, resistance level, and there is a reversal point. Okay, we missed this marginal safety trade. You can see there is a respected, and this also respected. Okay, this is a very strong candle. Sometimes are going more down. So after bullish candle, you can try to place a higher option. Okay, this is a very strong rejection. Okay, let's see after bullish candle, try to place a higher option, or let's check the other lever. There is no strong levels. This is a 50-50 chances. Okay, let's check the major levels, and this is a major level, and this also major level. Okay, it's break the level. After it's make a retracement candle. This is a very strong bullish candle. Try to place a higher option. Okay, no problem. I'll place a higher option. This is a very strong bullish candle, and market situation at here. So that's the reason I'll place a higher option. But this is a minor level at here, and this is also round number. Okay, 60% of it's make a bullish candle, 40% of it's make a bearish candle. But this is a support level, you can see. After this resistance, it's make a support. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, you can wait for good opportunity and place a trade. Okay, if you want complete price action this video course, join my Telegram video course and definitely boost your knowledge. I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.